This is day 3 of doing my daily incense till I got all 3 shiny galarian birds, so let's go. Our first encounter is a Paris, Nimble, Binnacle, Bunnery, Ratata, Swanub, Mareep, Palmy, Taylor, Squirvet, Coughing, Phantump, Swadloon, Oddish, Sprigatito, Dedenne, Bagon, Nidoran, Glameow, Charmander, Wimpod, Squirtle, Snorlax, Swirlix, Diglett, Nidoran, Natu, Shellos, Cutiefly, Staryu, Krogunk, Oddish, Bidoof, Goldeen, Electabuzz, Sprigatito, Sudowoodo, Minun, Poliwag, Kaleido, Caterpie, Smoliv. That's it for today. We've got 39 Pokemon, which is alright, I guess. See you for day 4.